Hi, Mark here with video 14 of our 20 series, boiling down our 4-hour course into 4 bite-sized hourly chunks. So this is all about the strikes, and the first strike that we teach is, it's not nice, it's an eye strike. It's a great leveller, so we teach this to small children, to the largest of adults. And we take simple pads and we get people to learn how to put their we call it the bird's beak. Put a thumb next to your finger and just with both arms, just do that. Now you imagine going to somebody's eye socket like that, that's going to hurt and it's going to put people off doing nasty things to you. But we don't just do that, we go eyes, eyes, eyes! So that they get the fright of their life. And that's just one of the things you'll learn in the course. So see you in the next one. Cheers.